Hi, this is Rakesh Roy watching Girl Technology. In this video, we will show you how to disable command prompt in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So right now, as you can see, the command prompt is working fine. If I want to run any command, I can run, but we are going to disable it. So click on Start menu and search gpedit.msc. I'll share the command in video description. You can copy paste from there also. Just search and open it. Once open, over here left hand side you will see option user configuration. Under that administrative template, and under that system, just click on system. Right hand side you will see few other options, so we have to select one option, prevent access to the command prompt. So just double click on this option and disable it from here. If you want, you can enable it later. So right now we are disabling. So now we are going to check whether it is working or not. So as you can see, it is showing this message that it is disabled by administrator. So it is done. If you have any query, comment below, we will help you. And do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.